Hi friends, do you like to play music? Do you like to make loud sounds and soft sounds? Today we're going to make a shaker bottle. You need a water bottle that you're saving at home, and we're going to send some beads. So you can decorate the bottle any way you like. If you have markers, sit at the table. You'll need Sharpies, which are permanent markers. So sit at a table with your parents or another adult with you and decorate it any way you want. You can make it into a face, you can do two eyes, a nose, and a mouth, or anything you desire. So you're going to open it up. You're going to put in one bead. See if you like the way it sounds. Okay, close it up. It's a pretty cool sound. Now try two. Does it sound the same? Does it sound different? Is it softer? Is it louder? Definitely a different sound. Let's try three. There's three in the bottle. Ready? It is louder. Let's try one more. Ready? Here we go. Much louder. Have fun, and you're going to take music, turn music on, make a parade around the house, go in and out of rooms, up and down stairs if you have stairs. Enjoy. Have fun, my friends. Bye.